Az Phizo, father of the Naga nation, foretold, Nagas will never surrender in the battlefield, but many Nagas will fall when money was shot through the barrel of gun. Some extraordinary acts and supreme sacrifice of Az Phizo are mentioned here below. 1. Jawaharlal Nehru offered a blank political check to Az Phizo, but Az Phizo refused it. 2. Nehru offered Az Phizo to become the governor of Assam, but Az Phizo refused it. 3. Then Nehru asked Az Phizo to become the Chief Minister of Assam, but Az Phizo refused it. 4. Nehru again asked Az Phizo to become a minister in the Indian government, but Az Phizo refused it. 5. India offered Az Phizo to become an ambassador for Malaya, but Az Phizo refused it. 6. Again Shri Prakasa, the then Minister of the Natural Resources and Scientific Research of India and former Governor of Assam in 1949 asked Az Phizo, "Phizo, whatever you wanted we shall give you. Just make a list and give it to me. Money is not the question. We shall give you anything." But Az Phizo refused it. 7. And again in 1952, Nehru asked Az Phizo to become the President of India, but Az Phizo refused it. Az Phizo thus said, "I refused the offers because I love our Naga people more than anything else in this world. After I learnt so much how easy to sell and betray one's own country and nation, I was horrified that if these offerings were to be made to any other Naga who may not love our people as much as I do, then I knew we would have gone." The Indian government has offered us everything before the war started. Nehru sent Shri Prakasa, the governor of Assam, to see me, and he asked me what I wanted. I said, "Shri Prakasa, I don't want anything." But he offered me everything, anything. I could have become king very easily. But I did not want it, because my nation does not belong to me. It belongs to the future generations. Az Phizo, father of Naga nation.